And Radisson Bonjour from the outside bootlegs Delgaro. Also rising up Sharp Cookie, Grain Magic running down on the inside Janelle's episode ding, Galing Foxtrot, Precious Metal. And Princess Ashley is the early trailer. Delgaro bootleg Sharp Cookie. By the is entry number 1, Janelle's episode. Grain Magic is also rushing up. Bonjour racing 6 alongside is ding, Galing. Inside the last 600, Delgaro bootlegs running in second. Grain Magic, Janelle's episode, Sharp Cookie. Another far turn, Delgaro bootlegs getting closer on the outside is entry number 8 is Grain Magic. As they race the last 500, Delgaro bootlegs. Rushing up is Grain Magic, Janelle's episode down on the inside. As they race the final corner, Delgaro bootlegs, Grain Magic. Bonjour down on the inside is Janelle's episode. Delgaro bootlegs on the outside and Grain Magic. But still Delgaro bootlegs, Grain Magic. And finally it's going to be Delgaro bootlegs, Grain Magic, Bonjour, Janelle's episode. And for your super sa is Sharp Cookie.